So we have discussed behavior-driven development or BDD, which utilizes natural language to articulate system behavior, typically following the given when then structure. However, we haven't provided any examples to illustrate this method. So why not see some examples? But before that, allow me to quickly break down the given when then format. The given part establishes the initial state or preconditions before the action occurs. Essentially, it's like setting the stage for the test. When describes the action taken by the user or system, such as clicking a button or entering any sort of data. Finally, then outlines the expected outcome or verification criteria, focusing on observable changes resulting from the action. Alright, now let's think of a couple of examples. For the first one, imagine we are developing the Add to Cart feature for an e-commerce app. This feature describes the app's behavior when a user taps on the Add to Cart button for any product. I will read through the scenario and I'm confident you will grasp the concept effortlessly. Given the user is logged into their account, a user is browsing the product list on the e-commerce app, the user has found a product they want to purchase, the product is in stock and has a valid price. When the user taps on Add to Cart button on the product page, then the product is successfully added to the user's cart. A confirmation pop-up message is displayed saying item added successfully. The cart icon updates to reflect the increased quantity. Alright, that was an interesting one. Let's take another. Let's imagine an image organizing app in which we want to develop the delete feature of a particular image. Given a user is viewing a specific album or the main image library within the app, the album or library contains multiple images. The user has selected one or more images for deletion. When the user taps the delete button or perform a designated deletion action, for example a swipe gesture, then a confirmation dialog appears asking the user to confirm deletion. The user confirms the deletion. The selected image are permanently removed from the app and underlying storage. The album or library updates to reflect the removed images. The app displays a success message or visual cue indicating the successful deletion. And finally, the app offers an undo button to recover accidentally deleted images within a specific time frame. Very nice. So I think you can see that behavior-driven development offers an easy-to-understand way of describing the behavior of the system, and I think this wraps things up and you can now fully understand this brilliant development method.